There is yet another flashpoint in the CJP campaign. This time it's in Rajasthan where the pressure group has been running its School Tea Karo campaign. CJP's volunteer allege they were attacked while inspecting a government school near Jaipur, and they are blaming the state's ruling party BJP. CJP co-convener Ashutosh Ranka has been running the party's School Tea Karo campaign here, visiting government schools across the state to expose their poor condition. Here's what happened on August 21st morning. Around 8 am, the CJP team reached Rampura Kavarpura village in Jaipur's Sanganer area, a village where they claim children have been studying inside a cattle shed for years because the actual school building was declared unsafe. But before the team could enter, locals had reportedly barricaded the road. Vehicles were stopped and checked, and when Ranka's team arrived, a confrontation broke out. CJP alleges the crowd wasn't villages at all, but BJP workers sent in to stop the inspection. CJP founder Abhijit Deepke put it bluntly on X, accusing, I quote unquote, BJP goons of going after Ranka and his volunteers, and asking why Rajasthan police stood by and let it happen. According to CJP, their vehicles were damaged, windows smashed, clothes torn. Women volunteers were allegedly pelted with mud and stones, and one team member, they say, suffered a fractured hand.
भाजपा की गुंडागर्दी लाइव देखी है। पुलिस को पता था वहाँ पर पत्थरबाजी पहले से हो रही थी, फिर भी पुलिस ने हाथ खड़े कर दिए। पुलिस ने बोला कि हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, आपका मैटर है। ये सब कुछ मदन दिलावर के कहने पर हुआ है। हमारे वॉलेंटियर्स के हाथ तोड़े गए हैं, ट्यूब में ये लोग पत्थर निकाल कर बैठे थे। गाड़ियों के शीशे आप देख सकते हैं, गाड़ियों के शीशे फोड़े गए हैं, पत्थरबाजी हुई है। हमारी महिलाओं पे बुजुर्गों ने पत्थर मारे हैं, उनसे गुंडागर्दी की है, उनके फोन तोड़े, हमारे वॉलंटियर्स के हाथ तोड़े गए हैं।
However, there are reports that villages didn't want outside political groups interfering and that funds had already been sanctioned to fix the school themselves. This is yet to be confirmed.
विरोध हम दूसरी पार्टियों कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के खिलाफ किसी को नहीं दसने देंगे। यहाँ पर हम पूरा ही गाँव हमारा कांग्रेस और बीजेपी है ठेठ से।
Now this isn't happening in isolation. It comes just weeks after the Jantar Mantar protest forced Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to step down. Now CJP has drawn a new line, this time against Rajasthan Education Minister Madan Dilavar. CJP's ultimatum, 48 hours. Arrest those behind the attack, withdraw the state's restriction on school inspections, or face Dilavar's resignation demand and a statewide agitation.
पुलिस पूरी तरह गायब थी। आज राजस्थान के लोकतंत्र में काला दिन है। मदन दिलावर के कहने पर यह सब हुआ है। 48 घंटे का समय दे रहे हैं, या तो इन गुंडों को आप अरेस्ट कीजिए और ऑर्डर विड्रॉ कीजिए, वरना अभी आंदोलन स्कूलों से बढ़कर मदन दिलावर के इस्तीफे पर जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Dilavar has hit back, accusing CJP and Congress of trying to derail the state's education progress. Now, this attack lands at a politically charged moment. In Delhi, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's Dharna has forced police to register an FIR over pellet injuries suffered by student Sahil Lochab during Jantar Mantar protest in July. Meanwhile, in UP, the student body AISA has already announced its own Gen Z Yatra, a direct counter to BJP's outreach attempts to win back young voters after the cockroach protest. Whether it's Delhi, Rajasthan or UP, the youth BJP standoff is far from over. How the party responds next remains to be watched.